Are you looking for a unique and beautiful way to gift your home-baked cookies and cakes this holiday season? Look no further than our Kraft Christmas cookie boxes. These boxes are specially designed to protect your goodies and keep them looking great. Plus, they come in 3 different designs so you can choose the perfect one for your recipient. There are 3 different designs to choose from, so you can find the perfect one for your holiday gift. And the best part? No glue, adhesive or staples needed to make the box. They pop open to make up the see-through window box. Make this holiday season the best one yet with these Kraft cake and cookie gift boxes.